Black Hawk Solutions presents Safety Bracelet, a unique solution to fight coronavirus in this pandemic. The product is a wristband containing liquid sanitizer. The main parts of the band are bottle, the strap, and the connecting pipe. It is very simple to use. Just pressing the bottle and that's all. Safety bracelet or Saflet. Thank you.